In this video, we're going to practice 10 multiplication and 8 division questions that most students should know by the end of grade 6. I understand that math can be challenging to tackle alone. This channel is here to support and assist you or your child in learning math. What you'll need: a pencil, download our video worksheet, link in the comments, or use your own piece of paper, and time to use your brain, so no calculators are allowed. Here's a look at multiplication questions we're going to solve. I would avoid pausing the video to solve for the answer. It should be completed as a lightning round. However, if you really need to, feel free to pause the video if you require a little extra time to think and solve for the answer on your own. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key.
Ready? Go!
We'll complete the next two questions using the long multiplication method. Many of you might know the answer already, but as many math teachers say, it isn't always about knowing the answer, but how you get to the answer is what matters most. Question number 9. 14 times 6. We'll complete this question by multiplying the bottom number 6 with the far right column 4, and then we'll multiply the bottom number 6 with the far left number 1. So let's multiply 6 times 4. What we're going to do first is draw a rough box. In this rough box, we'll multiply the numbers in the far right column, also known as the ones column. So let's write 6 times 4. Which equals 24. We'll now need to write the 4 in the ones column of the answer section and carry the 2 over to the far left column, also known as the tens column. Now we'll draw another rough box. In this rough box, we're going to multiply 6 times 1. So let's write 6 times 1, which equals 6. Then we'll take the number we carried, the 2, and add it to the answer 6. So 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now we must move the 8 to the tens column of the answer section. The answer for 14 times 6 is 84. Again, the answer for 14 times 6 is 84. Question number 10, 16 times 4. We'll complete this question by multiplying the bottom number 4 with the far right number 6, and then multiplying the bottom number 4 with the far left number 1. So let's multiply 4 times 6. The first thing we're going to do is draw a rough box. In this rough box, we're going to write 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. We'll now need to write 4 in the ones column of the answer section and carry over the 2 in the far left column, also known as the tens column. Now we're going to multiply 4 times 1. In this new rough box, we're going to write 4 times 1, which equals 4. Then we'll take the number we carried, the 2, and add it to the answer 4. Now we're going to add 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now we're going to write 6 in the tens column of the answer section. Therefore, 16 times 4 equals 64. Again, 16 times 4 equals 64. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Here's a look at division questions we are going to solve. And remember, knowing your multiplications will help you to quickly solve basic and harder division questions. And again, feel free to pause the video if you require a little extra time to think and solve for the answer on your own. Good luck. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key.
Ready? Go!
For the next two questions, we're going to take our time and divide it together. Question number 7. We'll complete this question by first dividing 2 divided by 2 and then 8 divided by 2. So in this case, we're going to do 2 divided into 2 first. So let's start thinking about 2 times what can give you 2. The answer is 1. 2 times 1 gives you 2, therefore 2 divided into 2 equals 1. Now we're going to look at 8 divided into 2. So again, we're going to think about 2 times what gives you 8. The answer is 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. So therefore 8 divided into 2 gives you 4. 28 divided by 2 equals 14. Question number 8. We'll complete this question by first dividing 5 divided into 5 and then 5 divided into 5 again. So 5 divided into 5. 5 times what gives you 5? 5 times 1 gives you 5. Therefore 5 divided into 5 equals 1. Now we're going to look at the other 5. 5 times what gives you 5? 5 times 1 equals 5, therefore 5 divided into 5 is 1. So the full answer of 55 divided into 5 equals 11. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Good job at taking ownership over your education. You did it! See you in the next video.